So this is the second nice day I really got out to fly my Guillow's RC converted Fairchild. As you can see, when I take it off, I swerve hard to the right and try to avoid some hurdles that were left on the track where I'm flying. It flies on rails pretty well, and it was a little breezy today, probably like 3 to 5 miles per hour. And for a 3-ounce plane like this, it tries to kind of wind vane when I fly across the wind or even downwind. So. Apologize for the blurriness. The iPhone camera is trying to focus on different depth of field. Now as I bring it in for a landing here, you can see just how nice this thing glides. Oop! Kind of crunched it there. The rough track material doesn't really treat the wheels too nicely. So it's flying on 2S with 300 milliamp hours, and it could go for a long time. I flew it for probably 10 or 11 minutes up and down on this occasion, and it's only 40 degrees out, so I'm really excited to try it out in the nice warm summer. I could probably fly for 15 minutes on low throttle. It handles really nicely for being 3-channel. It stabilizes quickly with that dihedral. I really want to demonstrate some more aerobatic maneuvers like stall turns and some loops and stuff, but I really want it to be like a dead calm day for that. With this amount of wind, it just gets swept away from me too quickly, and being so tiny, you need to keep it close.